Crest Architectural Products presents Edge Effects Preformed Windowsill Installation. Profiles are made to order in BC, Canada. Each profile is machine made to your specifications. Results are precise and always made to order. These profiles are for a windowsill. Profiles are made to the windowsill dimensions and will arrive on site ready to install. Trim profiles to fit the length. Measure your trim areas carefully to ensure that no materials are wasted. Also trim to fit around columns or other outcroppings. Place glue on the front-facing side of your profile. Next, slide the profile into place. Apply caulk to all joints, including joints to be adhered to the wall. This will adhere the joints and ensure a firm connection between profiles. Notice, no corner bead is needed. Check that profiles are flush. Fasten your profiles into the substrate. Fill the cured caulked joints and holes, then prime and paint. This completes your profile installation. For more information, contact us today at info@highcrestproducts.ca or at 778-571-4227.